Hi everyone, and welcome back to the fourth of my 21 wildlife walks. Today I'm here at Stackpole on the Pembrokeshire coast of Wales. I'm here to actually help out with BTO Bird Camp, which is a great event the BTO run. It's a residential weekend for young people which involve lots of birding activities, meeting like-minded young people and some great citizen science. So as well as walking around the local area, this morning we travelled a bit further afield and went on a cruise around Skoma Island. I saw my first ever puffins and thousands of seabirds, and I'll insert some of the footage that I took here. So I'm now on the main walk of this vlog, which is along Stack Rocks, which is a part of the Pembrokeshire coast, and behind me you can hear the amazing sound of a colony of guillemots, and this is one of the biggest colonies of guillemots in Wales. So I've just been walking along the coastal path here, and I just had a very special bird glide past me, and this was the chough, and this is quite an iconic bird of the Pembrokeshire coast and has a distinctive bright red bill and also makes a chow noise. The chough used to be widespread around the UK coast. However, changes in livestock management and persecution led to dramatic declines between 1860 and 1900. It became extinct in most of England, surviving only in Cornwall. There are now small populations in Cornwall, Scotland, the Isle of Man and here in Wales. So now I'm joined with the brilliant BTO Youth team, and they're going to talk to us a little bit about BTO Youth and BTO bird camps.
Fab, thanks Maya, and thank you for having us.
No worries.
We are here in Pembrokeshire today as part of one of our bird camps, but first a little bit more about BTO Youth and who we are and what we do. We run the youth part of BTO, and for those of you that are interested in bird watching, you will know your own struggles that you might have had getting started with the hobby. And what we're all about is removing those and making it easier for young people to access nature, bird watching, and the environment around them and how they interact with it. And so, for example, right now our bird campers are doing an arts activity that is focused on drawing the birds that they're seeing and not just observing them. But we also do work around surveys. We have funds to help young people get access to the equipment they need, and we organise events all over the country through fantastic youth reps like Maya here.
Oh, thank you.
But right now we are focused on our bird camps that Chris is going to tell you about.
Hi everyone. Hi Maya.
Hello.
So, bird camps are a wonderful thing. We run them every year in every country of the UK, and as Faye said, we're on one right now. At the moment we're in Wales doing our Wales bird camp. We still have our England bird camp coming and Northern Ireland bird camp. These are free for any young person between the ages 11 to 17. We provide transport, which makes it easier for young people to get there if they need it, and we just have a wonderful time appreciating nature, learning more about birds and learning more about what BTO does. So hopefully we have some citizen scientists in the making behind us.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much, both. And I know how sort of the impact of BTO bird camps, as when I was 13 I went to my first ever BTO bird camp in England, in Thetford, and it had a massive impact on me, being able to meet like-minded young people and see some amazing wildlife. So the BTO Youth does some incredible work. So that's the end of my vlog today here on the lovely Pembrokeshire coast. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can donate to my Just Giving page, where I'm trying to raise £2,100 for the BTO before my 21st birthday.